So let's say you're watching TV and all of a sudden you want to reset your Safari browser. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So it's really easy and simple to do. So what you want to do is go to your settings and scroll down to where you see your apps. And then go ahead and make it easy on yourself and just type in Safari. So from here, just scroll all the way down to where you see advanced. And then go to website data. And you see here all of your stuff here. You can go ahead and remove all website data. That's really easy to do. You can even back out of here and then go where it says history and website data and do it from here as well, where it says clear history and website data. And this gives you more of a specific time if you want like an hour or the day or just all history. It's up to you. And that is how you would go about resetting your Safari browser. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.